Santa bring you a kitchen, Madeline?
Wow. Wow. What's in there? Madeline, what do you think?
Madeline, look at, you got a refrigerator too.
Madeline, check this out. What's in here? Wow. Put that one in there.
It's your freezer.
All right.
Hey, look at this. You got a phone too. Madeline, look, it came with a phone.
Say hello. Say hi.
Hi, say hi. Thank you, Santa.
Say thank you.
Good job.
Yay.